The power rate hikes have been spread thinly over a period of 5 months that began in May and ends in October. Meralco's way of softening or cushioning the impact of its huge power rate hike on its subscribers by breaking it down into smaller charges or on a piecemeal basis. Arclazo Pardilia tells us more on this month's rate hike.
DJ, a jeepney driver, felt a glimmer of relief upon hearing about this week's rollback in petroleum prices. However, his potential savings from this price cut is uncertain, as Meralco has announced a power rate hike for August.
Parang wala rin, parang binawi lang din sa pagtaas ng kuryente. Hindi napunta yung pagbawas ng diesel.
According to the Manila Electric Company, power rates will rise by 3 centavos per kilowatt hour this August. This rate adjustment will result in an increase of 7 pesos for consumers using 200 kilowatt hours, 10 pesos for 300 kilowatt hours, 13 pesos for 400 kilowatt hours, and 16 pesos for those consuming 500 kilowatt hours.
Ang bahagyang pagtaas po sa singil ngayong Agosto ay dahil sa 11 centavos kada kilowatt hour na dagdag sa transmission charge. Dulot po ito ng mas mataas na singil ng operator ng grid para dun sa tinatawag na ancillary service na sumasakop sa mga reserba. Para sa buwan na ito, ang ancillary service charges ay tumaas ng higit 50%.
This marks the second consecutive month of rate hikes for Meralco customers, while the fourth month staggered payment plan to cover rising generation costs from the previous red and yellow alerts is set to conclude in September. The future impact on consumers remains unclear and more likely than not bleak. The increase comes amid outstanding payments to the National Grid Corporation of the Philippines. Approximately 70% of the transmission charge and ancillary service fees required for power reserves during peak demand periods in March are still pending collection. Additionally, expected hikes in generation costs from the San Lorenzo and Santa Rita power plants could further affect electricity prices.
In both contracts, napansin namin na tumaas yung cost of Malampaya fuel. Kung maaprubahan na yun ng ERC na ipasa, ma-reflect siya as an increase in the generation charge.
Arclazo Pardilia for the New and Better Philippines.